Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, a true hero and visionary leader. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was one of the greatest kings in Indian history. He was a brave warrior, an intelligent leader and a man of strong character. He founded the Maratha Empire in the 17th century and fought against the Mughal Empire and other enemies to protect his people and land. His life is full of inspiring stories of courage, intelligence and justice. Early life and childhood. Shivaji Maharaj was born on the 19th of February 1630 at Shivneri Fort in Maharashtra. His father Shahaji Bhosle was a military commander and his mother Jijabai was a deeply religious and intelligent woman. They played a major role in shaping the character of young Shivaji. They taught him Hindu scriptures, history and the importance of self-respect and justice. From childhood, Shivaji Maharaj was very interested in war and administration. He was trained in swordsmanship, horse riding and military tactics. He also learned about politics and leadership, which helped him become a great king in the future. Shivaji's character and leadership. Shivaji Maharaj was known for his courage, intelligence, and justice. He respected people of all religions and treated everyone fairly. He never attacked innocent people or destroyed places of worship. Instead, he focused on protecting his kingdom and ensuring peace and prosperity for his people. He was also a great planner and strategist. He introduced the guerrilla warfare technique, which involved attacking enemies suddenly and disappearing into the mountains. This helped him win battles against larger and more powerful armies. Establishment of the Maratha Empire. Shivaji began his journey by capturing forts and strengthening his army. He knew that forts were important for defense, so he captured several forts, including Torna, Raigad, and Purandar. With his strong army and clever strategies, he challenged the mighty Mughal Empire and the Adil Shahi and Qutub Shahi rulers. One of his most famous achievements was his escape from the Mughal court. The Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb had summoned Shivaji Maharaj to his court in Agra and later tried to imprison him. However, Shivaji cleverly escaped and returned to his kingdom safely. This incident showed his intelligence and bravery. Coronation and good governance. In 1674, Shivaji was officially crowned as Chhatrapati, Emperor, at Raigad Fort. This marked the beginning of a strong and independent Maratha Empire. He established a well-organized administration and introduced fair tax policies. He also built a powerful navy to protect his kingdom from foreign invaders. Shivaji Maharaj believed in justice and treated everyone equally. He ensured that women were respected and protected in his kingdom. He also encouraged agriculture, trade and local industries, which helped his people live a prosperous life. Respect for all religions. Like many rulers of his time, Shivaji Maharaj respected all religions. His army included Muslim soldiers and advisors. And he never damaged the religious sites of other communities. He believed in unity and always worked for the welfare of his people, regardless of their religion. Legacy and death. Shivaji Maharaj died on the 3rd of April 1680, but his legacy lives on. His courage, leadership and vision continue to inspire people even today. His life teaches us the values of bravery, intelligence and justice. Even today, Shivaji Maharaj is remembered as a great warrior and a visionary leader. His forts, policies and military strategies are still studied and admired by historians and military experts. His name is held in great respect and his spirit continues to guide generations. Conclusion. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was not just a king. He was a hero who stood for justice, valor and good governance. His life story teaches us important lessons about leadership, hard work and respect for others. He will always be remembered as one of India's greatest leaders and a symbol of courage and wisdom.